modular designed hardware with an easy-to-remove add-on module, a front-mounted controller with integrated display, a protective cover for the plug-in modules, which has removable sections so the cover fits back perfectly for the add-on module. The IE250 has the same cutout size as the AGC150, making it easy to swap or upgrade. Install the IE250 in the panel cutout and attach the fixing screw clamps. Wire and insert the terminal blocks, then power and start commissioning your IE250.